the fall protection harness. Inspecting it is important. Once your inspection is approved, you can then put on that harness.
And the heart of the labels, the changes to the labels, are the pictograms. So like I said, it's just a picture, it's an image, it's a sketch.
You can attach this to the roof, and you can see we got all the way down to the decking. We did this for a couple reasons. One, shows that the decking you're attaching to is not rotted through.
And if it's not installed correctly, you end up with problems. I've seen step flashing that they did backwards, which basically directed the water right into the hole.
Every interaction with a customer is part of your brand. A brand is the promise of an experience customers will have with a company.
Residential construction projects add extra elements into the mix that further add to the chances of flux.
Or even handwritten agreement, letter of agreement, or letter of understanding signed by the parties or even emailed between them will be valid if it meets the legal requirements.
They can choose to be treated as a sole proprietorship, partnership, corporation, or S corp.